On today's menu, we'll be featuring the beautiful zucchini, also known as summer squash. This nutrient-rich vegetable is harvested in the months of July and August and comes in a variety of colors, including green, orange, or yellow. You can eat zucchini raw or cooked. Typically, zucchini is eaten in savory dishes. However, it can be used in baked goods such as muffins or cakes to improve the moisture and nutritional content.
Today we are making zucchini boats. First step, preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Then, after washing the zucchinis, slice lengthwise, then scoop out the seeds. You can keep the seeds to cook and re-add to the final product since it includes extra fiber, but this time we're going to compost ours. Then brush the scooped out sides with a heart-healthy fat such as olive, canola, or avocado oil. Season with a pinch of salt and some pepper. Now transfer to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and place in the oven to roast until soft and lightly browned. In the meantime, prepare your fillings. We have 4 options to share with you today, each one inspired by a different cultural cuisine. Option number 1, Baja. Coat canned corn kernels with chili garlic sauce and set aside. Option number 2, Tex-Mex. Coat pre-cooked and shredded chicken with taco seasoning and then set aside. Option number 3. Coat pre-cooked and shredded chicken with jerk marinade or dry seasoning and set aside. And option number 4. Chana masala. Coat pre-cooked or canned chickpeas with olive oil and a chana masala mix and set aside. Each of these primary fillings can be paired with a variety of toppings. Here we have cucumber, pickled onions, radishes, grilled pineapple, lime, cilantro, mint, fresh and roasted jalapenos, Thai basil, shredded cabbage, sauteed peppers and onions, thyme, avocado, and pico de gallo. After you remove the roasted zucchinis from the oven, it's time to assemble. First we'll make the Baja boat. It will include avocado, pickled onions, radishes, fresh jalapeno, the corn mixture, cilantro, and Thai basil. Now the Tex-Mex, which will have sauteed peppers and onions, the quick Tex-Mex chicken, pico de gallo, and fresh lime. Moving on to the jerk boat, which will have the shredded cabbage, grilled pineapple, the quick jerk chicken, and fresh thyme. And last but not the least, the chana masala boat, topped with quick chana masala, chopped cucumber and onions, and fresh mint. If you prepare several topping options ahead of time, the combination of flavors are endless. This is a fun meal to have with family and friends. Have the toppings ready at the table and each person can make their own creation. Zucchini can also be a great snack. They bake easy like homemade fries or cauliflower bites. Here we have some tasty Parmesan zucchini fries with a side of tzatziki. This easy recipe is included in your harvest bag. We are so happy to have shared these recipes with you. We hope you give zucchini a chance. Why not enjoy it tonight?